If you don't know how to code, if you don't know how to start to code and want to learn and master to crack good internship and placement where you don't know what is C in coding, no matter you are doing BE, Btech, Mtech, BCA, BCom, whatever, this video will be game changing for you because I have spent around 2.5 years just exploring and researching about this, talking one-on-one with professors, seniors, friends every single day, and I have explored front-end, back-end in app development and front-end in web development. Not only this, now I am doing data structures and algorithm from 2.5 months. And now for you, I have a proper roadmap covering 5 different fields along with which language you need to learn, free resources, what time you require to complete that, how to get started, and finally how you can grab an opportunity from that. Excited? So let's start the video. So hello everyone, welcome back. Myself Nasir, a CSE Btech student. See, you can learn any language from bottom. Colleges talk shit about कि C सीख लो उसके बाद C++ सीखो अच्छा लगेगा नहीं कुछ नहीं. You just need to understand why you want to code. Is it for web development to create web pages or data science या फिर game development के लिए? You want to code but in which language? So here are the top 6 fields which you can learn and crack high-paying jobs. Web development, app development, game development, AI/ML, blockchain, DSA. We'll talk in detail all about this right after 10 seconds. But one thing is to fit in your mind. I can tell you in detail about all the fields and say do whatever you want to do. Someone will give 10 days for web development, 5 days for app development, and then another 10 days for game development. Or someone who is like me will do simultaneously all the things. Don't. This mistake will never let you to master a single field. So Nasir, what we can do? No matter you are in first year, second year, third year, or in a final year, follow this roadmap giving your 100%. You will be going to change everything for you. Learn a language, Java, C, C++, Python, JavaScript. Options are too many. Don't think too much and waste a lot of time thinking कि कौन सी करूँ कौन सा नहीं. Just start with one. In case आपने कुछ नहीं कर रखा, just start with a C++. Don't think. Take you forward. codehelp and Apna college are the best resources and free. Now it's on you. For fresher it will take 25 to 30 days to learn. जिसे थोड़ा थोड़ा आता है तुम 15 to 20 days में सीख लोगे. Just learn about variable, data type, functions, if else, loops, strings, and you are good to go towards the most time thing considering placement, that is data structures and algorithm. If you want to sit and crack coding rounds in a placement for software role or any other role, this is a thing you need to master. After learning about basics of any language, you will start learning and practicing in DSA. Many people say it is hard. No. Starting में लगता है. Once we start, you gonna love it. Striver A to Z DSA cheat sheet is one of the best course to learn DSA. Even I am following it. Covered C++, arrays, recursion, binary search, and linked list is an ongoing topic. If you want to learn it in Java, you can follow Apna college or Kunal kushwala. To master DSA, you need 3 to 6 months. Depends on person to person how he is dedicated. How much you practice every single day on a coding platforms. How he or she sees the problems. While learning DSA, you will know about array, stack, queue, linked list, entry, graph, DP, much more. You can learn it easily. Just follow one rule. If you are starting, don't quit or take breaks. This is the most IMP thing to cover DSA faster. Once you learn something, practice about it on a coding platforms like LeetCode, Coding Ninjas. They are for you. Apply this, that, logic and all. तुम तब तक समझ जाओगे यार. While learning DSA, you need to think, recover, apply. In case you want a full video on how to learn DSA, comment it. I am already solving problems since 46 days and solved 50 plus questions on LeetCode and 90 plus on Coding Ninjas. I can explain you better about that and about how to face problems. Once you cover DSA, you are placement ready. Now to show what you are, the most exciting and interesting part is waiting for you. It is development. May we have two things, either do web development or app development. First, we will see web development. HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Understand and learn this language for creating structure, style and interactivity of a web pages. This is a field where you don't need to recover things because you will search on Google or other platforms while you are creating projects. Once you cover this, to level up yourself, select and learn a framework. Let's talk about framework and libraries. Explore front-end frameworks like React, Angular, or Vue.js. Learn how to build interactive and responsive user interfaces. Common choice include Node.js or Django. If you are familiar with Python, you can go with Django, but master only one. To learn faster, focus on creating projects. You wanna gradually learn automatically. To learn this, Code with Harry had a best course. Old वाला भी है और नया Sigma वाला भी. Apna college also have one free course on YouTube. Learn from anywhere you want. This will take 6 to 7 months to learn. अभी इसमें टॉपिक्स तुम यूज करते करते छोटे छोटे प्रोजेक्ट्स क्रिएट करते करते हुए सीखोगे. It will be fun for you and this takes us towards app development. Select a platform. It can be in Android because 80% of people use Android और सक्सेस रेट भी थोड़ा ज्यादा ही है. To become Android developer, learn Java or Kotlin. Want to become iPhone developer? Swift is the language you need to learn. If you want to do in both, Flutter or React Native is for you. React Native uses JavaScript and allows you to build in both iOS and Android. Understand UI UX principles for creating engaging and user-friendly interfaces. Work with APIs to create projects, and to learn this, search on YouTube or follow Code with Harry. He had a multiple videos. Again, to learn this, you need 6 to 7 months. कोई एक सीख लो और फास्ट सीखने के लिए create projects which will fulfill your next step. The fourth one, build projects. This step don't need intro. To grab good opportunity in startup or big companies, we need to build projects and apply what we have learned. जो तुमने वेब डेवलपमेंट या फिर ऐप डेवलपमेंट में सीखा है उसी को यूज करके प्रोजेक्ट्स बनाना है. Build simple projects initially to solidify your understanding of concepts. For web development, this man created a multiple projects you can create with him to learn how things works. Gradually work on more complex projects which will integrate both front-end and back-end technologies. Contribute to open source project to gain real-world experience and collaborate with other developers. Maintain a portfolio which showcases your project's skills contribution. When you are doing this, learn about low-level design because companies are focusing a lot on it. The last, if you are a fresher now or second-year students, you can have time to do AI and ML. After doing all this shit, do the number 5th, AI and ML. If you really want to build a career in data science and directly go for ML algorithms, you need understanding of math for that. Once you start learning, you will know about KNN and gradient. उसके बाद you can deep dive into deep learning, where you gonna learn about generative AI and NLP, which is current trend. तुम्हें पता लगेगा how to create AI models. With that, you can start a new startup creating AI model which depends on your idea. Actually don't know how to learn faster because try नहीं किया. Now for people who have a little time, learn a language fast and do DSA. Practice it regularly, as many problems as you can. Take you forward had 3 cheat sheets to learn DSA. Follow cheat sheet considering your situation. Now we have time, so me and my friends are following DSA cheat sheet for beginners. See, maximum companies want DSA and development from a fresher. Little bit low level design जो trend है. In case you want to learn about game development, let me know. I will study and research and make प्यारा सा video for you. Yeah. That's it for this video. See you soon in another video. Thanks for supporting last video. अगर आपको किसी टॉपिक पर वीडियो चाहिए तो बता दिया करो भाई, कमेंट सेक्शन आपके लिए. चलो we do whatever you wanna do. लाइक करो, शेयर करो, सब्सक्राइब करो. Microphone check, make it a microphone check. Give it a microphone, I make the microphone dead. Don't step to me. Don't like, but start coding. I've been a part-time shadow cat, part-time. That is not a guy that I would ever wanna try to battle rap.